Hello, my name is Java, and I am the developer of op1REpacker GUI. I want to make an install video. Today we're going to make an install video going over the install instructions on Windows. There's currently a macOS version that I have posted as well. I'm going to link that in the description. Okay, so to get started, you're going to want to download a copy of this repository from this repo. And you're going to do that by going to Code and then Download Zip. I have it saved to my desktop here. Then after that, you're going to need an official op1 original firmware file. So you're going to go here to Teenage Engineering's website and get the latest version here. I have that saved in this folder here. Okay, so just save it to somewhere you know. After that, we're going to want to download Python. I do not recommend using the Windows Store version. I would download from python.org. We're going to download it. I have it saved to my desktop. Let's run it. Alright, we're going to install now, use admin privileges, and you're going to want to click add python.exe to path. Hit install now. Say yes. Going to do that setup. Okay. Once Python is finished installing, we're going to want to get the GTK3 runtime. You're going to get that from this repository here and just download the latest release. So go ahead and run that. Default installation instructions are fine. There's nothing you need to click, just install this. Okay, so now that we did that, we're going to need to open a command window in here. And what I like to do is just type cmd in the file browser path above, and that will open a window that targets this directory. Okay, and we are going to want to run pip install -r win requirements.txt. Okay, hit enter. And these will download and install the dependencies that this program needs. So we're going to go ahead and let that run. Okay, so that finished. So after that finishes, we're going to want to type in the same path. We're going to do winget install fmpeg. Type yes. And we need this for creating rips in the OP toolkit. Okay, so it looks like it was successful. After that, we're just going to type, if everything installed correctly, we're going to be able to type python.py, python main.py, and op1REpacker GUI should start. And we see that it does. Okay, beautiful. All right. So say we wanted to get back into it, I would just go to op1REpacker GUI, go to this folder, type cmd, and then if you did it recently, then just python main.py, and that should run the program. Awesome. All right. Enjoy. Thank you guys so much.